Hi, my name is Jana Eubank, and I'm here to tell you about the next edition of Simple Stories Online, our month-long crafting events that happen every other month, featuring a kit full of products from one of our latest and greatest collections. Now, in July, the collection that we are going to be featuring is the beautiful Simple Vintage Linen Market collection. This is brand new and just barely released. Now, when you purchase the kit, the cost of the kit is the cost of the contents in the kit. So in essence, you're receiving a month-long crafting event for the cost of the products. In that event, you'll be creating layouts, single pages and double pages, a full 6x8 album that holds 50 plus photos, as well as bonus projects. Now, we're excited to announce that in addition to our kit option, we now have an access only option. So if you live outside of the US or you prefer to purchase your products locally, you can now purchase an access only, which gives you the class content, but you will need to purchase the products on your own. In addition to launching the Linen Market access only, we also have access only options for our past events, which are the Just Beachy collection and the Fresh Air collection, so be sure to check those out. Now, the Simple Vintage Linen Market collection is gorgeous with red and yellow and blue and pink, and has lots of fun florals and gingham checks, vintage icons, and more. We'll be working with the Navy 6x8 album, and I'm really excited to give you a closer look at the kit contents as well as the projects that we will be creating throughout the month. So we will start the event on July 1st, but kits begin shipping in middle of June, which is just a few weeks away. The kits are limited, so be sure to reserve yours as soon as possible. Here's a quick look at the Navy binder. It includes lots of fun insert pages that we use as the base, also some tab dividers and some pocket pages as well. So a really fun base to create this project. Now, in your kit, you receive a variety of products from the collection. And I want to flip through the 6x8 pad just so you can see a quick look at all of the beautiful patterns and colors that are part of this collection. The beautiful roses and floral, the butterflies, the gingham check. It reminds me of summertime or parades or picnics in the park, right? Or maybe just hanging out in the backyard or on the porch swing, sipping a cool glass of lemonade. So just beautiful patterns that are going to be a lot of fun and very versatile for all of your summer memories. Now, as part of this kit, you receive 2 collection kits and 2 of the Simple Vintage Basics. So that means you will get 2 of all of the 12x12 pattern papers, 2 of the 12x12 sticker sheets, and then 2 of each of the solid papers. So let's take a look at that. This is the 12x12 sticker sheet that comes in the collection kit. And then let's just flip through the 12x12 papers. They're a larger version of the 6x8 papers that you saw a moment ago, but they also include lots of cut apart pieces like tags, 3x4 cards, 4x6 cards that are perfect for pocket scrapbooking, but also great to incorporate it on cards and layouts as well. So beautiful bandana prints, the lemons, the florals, just gorgeous. So those are the 12x12 papers. And then we have the 12x12 solids. You'll get 2 of the vintage basics, so 2 of each color. And the solids for this kit include a gingham check on one side and then like a distressed text solid on the other. So you have the cherry pie, the lemonade stand, this beautiful light blue, the saltwater taffy pink, sandcastle cream, and this faded denim blue. So 2 sheets of each of those, which are great for doing double page layouts, matting photos, and more. And then you get all of these fun embellishments included, just a great selection from the kit to add lots of detail to your projects. So let's take a closer look at this. So to add dimension to your projects, you'll receive both the decorative brads, which are adhesive backed brads. They also include some fun chipboard pieces. And then we have the glossy enamel dots in all the fun colors of the collection. You have the sticker book, which has so many fun images, the layered strips. You have a full alphabet in case you want to customize any of your titles, washi strips, ephemera pieces. We have these patchwork tags, a full sheet of butterflies and hearts. There's stacked strip phrases, solid phrases. You have the beautiful florals and more images, vintage images, and then of course these fun circles. Now you get all of the bits and pieces from the collection. So we have 3 ephemera packs. You have the bits and pieces that have some great general images and phrases. You have the layered bits, which have a vintage ephemera feel to them, and then the floral bits with lots of butterflies and florals, which are just so great in general to scatter throughout your projects. We have lots of great chipboard pieces in this kit. So the chipboard clusters, which are nice and large. You can see how big those are compared to my hand. And they have a great layered ephemera feel to them as well. We have actual layered chipboard that has layers and dimension to them. So 5 fun pieces on that set. You have the pack of 6 chipboard frames, which are great for highlighting your photos or journaling or even creating shakers. We also have the ephemera pack, which are great images of like bingo cards, flashcards, library cards, and other type labels and things like that that'll be so fun to use on your projects. You also have the 6x12 chipboard sheet, and you can see here like the bikes and the titles, the banners, the butterflies, the hearts, the bees. The foam stickers have 2 sheets in them. Lots of great title options here with the butterflies, the bees, the florals, and even some fun stacked phrases. So these are going to be so beautiful, and I can't wait to show you all the different projects that we're going to be creating with these items. So let's take a quick look at the sneak peek of the album class, or actually let's look at the schedule first. So the month kicks off on July 1st with the Welcome Live. This is where I give you an overview of the class and the events that are happening for the month. I show you your tools and supplies that you'll need to gather, as well as answer any questions. Now, right after the Welcome Live, the following day, I post a cutting video along with cutting instructions and all of the instructions for the projects. This is so you can start cutting your papers, following along with my pre-recorded video to prepare all of your papers for class. You will also have a list of supplies and photo sizes so you can print your photos ahead of time. Now on Saturday, July 13th, we'll have 2 sessions throughout the day to create our layouts. We will be creating 2 double-page layouts and 4 single-page layouts. The following Saturday, you'll have time, an additional week to prepare and get ready to create the 6x8 album class. This is a full chunky album that holds over 50 photos with lots of layering and fun items, and I'll show you a sneak peek of that as well. The following Monday, after the 6x8 album class, I will post a pre-recorded bonus project video where I take you through a tutorial of how to put together bonus projects, and these vary from event to event. In this event, we'll be creating 2 additional single-page layouts as well as 3 cards. And then finally, on July 30th, you have a bit of time. You have about 8 days until the final live stream, and that is where we answer any more questions that you may have as you continue to work on your projects, but also we give you an exclusive detailed look at the following Simple Stories online events, showing you all of the projects that we're going to create and give you first dibs at reserving your spot to that. So with that being said, let's take a closer look at these layout projects so you can see just what we'll be creating. So here's a peek at like the first double page layout. These 2 pages coordinate together. We have a second one here. I'm just going to flip through these real quickly, and then the 4 single pages. And you can see there's lots of fun techniques and details and lots of things to keep you inspired in creating. Now, we also have the following Saturday a 6x8 album class. And this is just a fun, big, thick, chunky album with lots of fun layering. You can see the fun detailed butterflies on the front. And then I'll just give you like a quick little flip through. We have pockets and flaps and lots of just interactive and fun techniques to learn in this project that are going to keep you inspired. A lot of times we purchase a collection, we create a couple of projects with it, and then we run out of steam. So the idea with Simple Stories Online is to help you keep creating all month long. And this is just a quick look at the bonus projects that we will be creating. So with that being said, I hope that you will be sure to join us for Simple Stories Online in July for the event. You can check out this QR code to purchase your kit or to purchase the access only option. So be sure to click on over to the Simple Stories website. Just a reminder, when you purchase the kit, it will they will ship in mid-June, but you will have immediate access to the Simple Stories online class platform, where you can also request to become a part of the coordinating private Facebook group. We do have a different Facebook group for each of the events, so be sure to check that out. The Simple Stories online class platform will be there for as long as possible. The group will be there forever. So all of these items, all of these classes, even the live stream classes are pre-recorded. And if you can't make any of the classes live, don't worry, everything's recorded. You can access it later. You can watch it as many times as you would like. And we hope that you will join us. So thank you for taking the time to check it out, and we hope to see you there.